This is my Clinique Even Better foundation, and I've been loving this for years. This has a medium coverage, and I find is the best coverage to kind of more daily wear. That you can kind of wear it and get away with not doing a full face of makeup. But this is why I absolutely love it. I do have the shade Breeze, which is a cool neutral 02, and I find that with the brush you can kind of just easily spread it on and really just evens the complexion and gives you that natural finish that you don't really have to set if you want to keep, especially if you want to keep that natural look and not look matte. But it really goes on super easily. As you can see, I just put a little on my face and I just blend it out with this brush, and that it looks so natural. You can even kind of put a little bit more on your brush in certain areas and build up certain areas that you want to have a slightly more coverage. But to do any more coverage, I would definitely go in with a concealer and kind of target those spots. As you can see, the little spot on my chin isn't covered, but it's definitely masked, and it definitely gives you that finished look that you want. And that's why I love the Clinique Even Better foundation.